Good morning, everyone. In this quick video right before the open, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to trade. Because this trade is not by any means a high probability trade, it's somewhat an average trade. And I want to take some of these with you guys to show you what's the risk, behind trading. Um, the open is in 1 minute, and I suspect the algo might want to take this sell side, which is why I've put my stop right below these equal lows. But there's also the good amount of interest here, right? The interest, I would see it more here and on these higher levels as far as the opening. So let's see what we get. Um, and I will come back into the 15 minutes time frame as we start the day. Um, so you can see that yesterday we had an increase in price. We've had this big bullish movement, and we've had this consolidation and expansion here. And the retracement followed after we had the Asia session. So throughout the Asia session, we saw this retracement melt, and this is where we at. And my entry was based off the 50% of the original consolidation, and you're gonna see these kinds of trades here. So I expect the price to go higher. Of course, this is not a super high probability trade because, as I mentioned in the past videos, we don't have any news today. The order flow is bullish, the profile is bullish, but there might be a possibility that we just start retracing and continue gapping some inefficiencies lower. Though, in this instance, I did trust the original consolidation to give me an entry, and it seems to be doing very well right now. This is a trade I am risking with you guys, so we're gonna tap 60-70. I'm gonna raise my stop up to this low for one other position. When we're gonna take these highs, I'm going to expect 725, which is another level of buy side liquidity, nothing more, nothing less. And again, as you can see, my take profits are big numbers, are like rounded numbers: 750, 725, and 700. And I've been really putting an emphasis in these videos about big numbers. You can definitely see why they have my interest. I love how they run. I also love how price reacts to them. So yeah, I mean, my goal with these videos is to let you know the risk that is behind all of this. Um, you know, I would not have been risking uh, 5 micros or a lot of micros in these plays because of the whole macroeconomical situation. Though I did play it with 3 micros, which is not bad at all. For me, it's a regular risk. And I'm going to want to see some reaction here. Hopefully we can recapture these highs and not just take liquidity in order to go lower, right? So that is going to be that's that's what is in my attention. So let's see how we react here. You see, this is a signature move. This is a redelivered rebalance, and it's when you have wicks that are kind of like touching and overlapping, and it's a good signature in price. This gives me confidence as far as the trade, right? Nothing seems to be different than what it should be. Everything seems to be aligned. And as you can see on the 15 minutes chart, we did took the initial consolidation, consequent encroachment, or mean threshold if you want, um, let's say midpoint, and then we start to go higher. And you can see my entries are here, 771, 774, these levels are, where I entered. So hope you guys are enjoying those series of videos. I'm doing my best. I'm trying to be engaging, and um, I I do have a meeting later on in today, so there's a possibility I cut the trade earlier than what I planned, and that's real trading. Sometimes um, you don't have all the day to stay in front of the charts and just play with it all day. I have other things to do, and in your life you will also have other things to do. um, I don't know if you guys have children or if you guys have businesses, school projects, work, those are all things that are going to impact your trading journey, not only because of the schedule, but also because um, of the fact that they take time, they take your attention, they take study, they take more than regular stuff, right? There's stuff that we do in order to survive, in order to give a well-being to your family, and that's why I'm trailing my stop here. I do think we're probably gonna take it out, and it's just to secure some money because, as I've mentioned, I really need to go soon, and I need to prepare for this photo shooting. If you're interested in my photo shooting, I can definitely recommend you to follow my socials on underscore BrandonBG. Uh, it's where I share most of my adventures and my projects. Let's see how we do here. I think we can dab into this Wix, and if it takes me out, then so be it. I would have secured 150 times 4, so I'll let you do the math of what is $150 times 4 um, in 30 minutes. It's pretty good. Not bad at all, right? Not bad at all. That's what I would say. So there we go. $152 times 4, which these accounts were connected. So not bad at all as far as trading goes. And I have done my journey, so I'm not going to be here for the rest of the day, but enjoy your day. Stay safe. Peace.